Gonna cold start this Toyota today. It's basically been sitting here most of the winter. Having some carb issues with it, but mostly when she's warmed up. Let's see how it does. Almost. None of those gauges seem to work. I know the gas one does. About 50% of the time, the gas gauge will work. Speedometer, nothing else works up there. Brake light always says that it's on. It's not even hooked up. But we don't care. She runs. No door panels. No problem. I took the headliner out. Because underneath was, well, rust and a lot of mice poop. Whew. Cold morning. It's in the 20s. I'm not sure what it is, but I know it's in the 20s.